Every day we eat food to stay alive and healthy. But have you ever thought about what happens to that food after you swallow it? The human digestive system is a complex and efficient process that breaks food into nutrients, absorbs them into the bloodstream, and removes waste. In this video, we will explore the human digestive system step by step, from the mouth to the final stage of digestion. Digestion begins in the mouth. Teeth break food into smaller pieces through chewing. This increases the surface area, making digestion easier. Saliva, produced by salivary glands, contains enzymes such as amylase, which begin breaking down carbohydrates. The tongue mixes food with saliva and forms it into a soft mass called a bolus, preparing it for swallowing. Once swallowed, food enters the esophagus, a muscular tube that connects the mouth to the stomach. The esophagus uses rhythmic muscular contractions called peristalsis to push food downward. This process does not require gravity. No digestion occurs here. The esophagus simply transports food. The food then reaches the stomach, a strong muscular organ. The stomach releases hydrochloric acid and digestive enzymes such as pepsin, which help break down proteins and kill harmful microorganisms. The stomach muscles churn the food continuously, mixing it with digestive juices to form a semi-liquid substance called chyme. Food typically remains in the stomach for several hours before moving to the small intestine, the longest part of the digestive system. Here, chyme mixes with bile from the liver to digest fats and pancreatic enzymes which break down proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. The inner walls contain tiny structures called villi. These increase surface area, allowing nutrients to be efficiently absorbed into the bloodstream. The liver processes nutrients and detoxifies harmful substances. The pancreas releases enzymes and insulin to regulate blood sugar. After nutrients are absorbed, undigested material enters the large intestine. Here, water and electrolytes are absorbed back into the body. Beneficial bacteria break down remaining food. Waste is stored in the rectum until it is expelled through the anus, marking the final stage. To maintain a healthy digestive system, eat fiber-rich foods, drink enough water, and exercise regularly. Understanding digestion helps us make better choices for a healthier life. Thank you for watching.